Hey, good morning, guys. What is up? Dixie is clearly very weak. We just cleared this low and we're down by around 3-4% in last couple of weeks. Fed didn't cut. They are not in hurry. Economy is still solid. Job stabilizing. Inflation is not fully dead yet. So they are basically in wait and watch mode. But price is price, and right now dollar is still heavy. So until the structure change, I will keep looking for USD shorts. That means I'm gonna look for longs in Euro USD and GBP USD. I'm gonna look for this highs overall. Let's see. Let's see. We are just closing this monthly. We're gonna close this monthly candle within next 1 day, 17 hour. And what I'm expecting for February, I'm expecting a deeper correction and a new start of the new impulsive move upside. Okay, let's see what's going on in 4 hour. We're trying to correct back higher. Daily time frame. The last day was an insider bar. We're still stuck inside the range. No clear daily bias. The last day was an insider bar. We can target for this highs. The price is very aggressively moving towards this high, and it's possible that we're going to clear this high, this London session. I was planning for longs, but I was not that comfortable longing GBP USD after the expansion phase like this. But that idea played out pretty well. Let's see if I find any deeper correction during this London session. In that case, there is a setup in 15 minutes. I think, yeah, a liquidity sweep and a breakout structure leaving fair value gap. In that case, I can look for longs in this one. What I will be waiting for, I will be waiting for a corrective phase downside and then some good structural shift so that I can long it and target towards this high. Not that promising, but definitely something I need to keep in my watch list. Gold is literally, bro. Gold is not going to stop. There is no sign that gold is not going to stop. Look at this. This long, this long, this long. Sometimes, whenever I see gold chart, now I feel like, why the fuck I use take profits? GBP USD. We're trading towards this high. NZT USD. Okay, USD JPY. This is something interesting. I was planning for short from this kind of level. The rejection is quite good, but look at the daily chart. The daily candle is not looking that healthy. It's possible that we're going to trade back higher and clear the previous day's high, even though the previous day is actually an insider bar. What is possible? I'm just going to wait for more price action to unfold, and this is going to be a really important area where I'm going to monitor the price. What I want to see a clearance of this high and then price really start strongly impulsing towards downside. In that case, I will plan for a short with a stop loss above the recent high and target towards this low. And I will just make sure that I'm getting a 1 to 3 with this plan. For now, I'm just waiting here. There is nothing clean. Yeah, the this rejection is very strong and valid, but I just want a better price and another confirmation because the daily time frame is not looking that healthy, and we're actually trading against the trend in USD JPY. The Dixie is correcting back higher. We're again trying to create a new lower low. Let's see. Let's see. I'm just gonna monitor it. It looks like we're gonna get this setup this London session. So I'm just gonna quickly set my alert over here. Let's see how it unfolds. USD CAD, there is nothing. We need to reevaluate this plan, guys. There is nothing in USD CAD. Mm, I can target for this low next. This is cleared, so let's remove it. Daily perspective. In terms of daily perspective, I will be waiting for a deeper correction towards this flip level before planning a short. A deeper correction in daily time frame for USD CAD, is it possible? But if price truly managed to correct higher, then in that case, this trade is going to be a really good one. Uh, and that's going to give us a good risk reward ratio, I think. Yeah, let's see. Let's wait for it. I'm just going to wait for price to correct back all the way higher to around this level. And then I will be waiting for good structural shift from this level. Dixie, nothing. Euro JPY, Can we plan for longs in what's going on in USD JPY? We're looking for shorts. How the fuck I can plan for longs in this one? We have already cleared all this low. Euro looks bullish, but there's a possibility that we're gonna see some deeper correction uh in the first week of February. So for euro, it's possible that we're gonna see some deeper correction too. USD JPY, the last monthly candle is closing like this. It's possible that we're gonna trade a little higher. So it's possibly we're just gonna stuck inside a range for next few days, next few weeks, next let's say 2 weeks, and we're gonna stuck inside a range for Euro JPY. And same story is gonna be also applied for GBP JPY. BSC. Okay, there was some pairs in my watch list last day. AUD USD. GBP CAD. GBP CAD is showing some good rejections, but still, I'll be waiting for a bullish daily candle closure. Let's wait for it. Mm, Man, AUD CHF, it played out. Oh man, I was waiting for a corrective face down. Look at this. That was a beautiful textbook setup, sweep of liquidity, break of structure, leaving fair value gap, and then look at this beautiful play. Okay, guys, if you're new here and you are watching this video on this session for the first time, possibly it's our 21st session, um, I will definitely recommend you to go and check out at least last 2 or 3 sessions. Only then you will understand the storyline properly. I was planning for GBP NZD short, but we already cleared this low, so there is no sense that we're going to keep this in our watch list. AUD, bro, AUD dropped a lot. Mm, okay, nothing. I was waiting for a corrective phase up before shorting it, but it's fine. So let's remove these things. GBP. Okay, wait. Mhm. Okay, guys, that's all for the session. Let's recap it. In GBP USD, I'm looking for a long only if price managed to correct back lower before clearing this high. But at the same time, I'm aware of that we have only 1 day 17 hour left for this daily for this weekly candle to close and monthly candle to close. I'm not expecting the monthly candle to close with a new higher high, so that actually makes this setup low probable. Let's see how it unfolds. I'm just gonna wait and I'm just gonna monitor how price actually react from this kind of levels. Gold, I'm gonna wait for a deeper correction. AUD USD, nothing is there for me right now. Uh, okay, USD JPY is something that I'm gonna monitor today. I'm gonna wait for a clearance of this highs, and then when price will really start showing us some good rejections towards downside, only then I'm gonna get involved into this position with a stop above the recent high and targeting towards this low. And I will make sure that I'm getting at least 1 to 3. USD CAD, I'm waiting for a deeper correction towards this kind of levels. Euro JPY and GBP JPY, I really want to look for longs in this pair because the overall trend is really healthy and we're just clearing these lows, and we can see some good rejections are coming from this kind of levels. But at the same time, I'm planning for USD JPY short to clear this low. So there are some contradictory bias in my side, so I'm just going to skip them for now. Let's see. Let's wait for some more price action to unfold. So yeah, that's it for the session, guys. Have a great day. See you soon on the next session.